Meaning of grittily.
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 Grittily. Grittily is an adverb that describes something done in a determined and persistent way, with a willingness to face challenges and obstacles. It is often associated with a sense of toughness and resilience. When someone approaches a task grittily, they are willing to put in the necessary effort to succeed, even when facing difficulties or setbacks. This mindset is valuable in achieving long-term goals and is often seen as a defining characteristic of successful individuals. Overall, acting grittily involves displaying perseverance, courage, and determination to overcome any obstacles that come your way.